Hi, I'm Nanako. I work for Silhouette Japan Sales and
Hello, I'm Kelly Wayment. I'm visiting from the United States, helping out Silhouette.
Hi, I'm Miku Nomura. I work for Silhouette Japan in the design division.
Hi, I'm Natsuki from Silhouette Japan Sales Division.
so today we are going to make this porcelain art and with curio. Okay. So first I show you how to make it.
Okay.
And after you.
And then I'll try it. Okay.
Okay.
And we use debris tray because this media is a little bit thick, so we have to hold strong. So we use with masking tape. So. So finish the cutting. So we take off paper. Oh, so here is designs, and we should prepare the warm water.
Okay.
Okay, so stop it. Stop. Oh, too hot.
So it just needs to be a medium
Yeah,
warm?
medium. It's maybe
Oh yeah.
it's like
A little warmer than lukewarm.
yeah. Dip this design into warm water until maybe 20 seconds.
Okay. And what material is this?
Same. It's oven transfer paper.
Okay.
It's different color.
Different color of
Yeah.
transfer tape. Okay. Paper.
Yeah. And how put on design the braid. And slide the under the paper, like this.
So while it's wet, you can move it around still?
yeah.
Okay.
It's so delicate.
It's very difficult.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Great.
Okay. And set the design on the plate. We should remove the water like this. And peel off the surface clear sheet. ちょっと待って。So here is done, almost done. Okay. Yeah.
And remind me how long you said it stays in there?
Yeah, like 20 seconds.
20
20
seconds?
seconds, maybe 15. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, so now I just place it on there
Yeah.
Wow, it's difficult shape position.
and I'm trying
slide.
to
Yeah,
let
yeah.
it,
Slide under the paper. Oh.
mostly there.
Yeah.
Great.
And we can adjustment until dry up.
So should I pull this
pull,
away
yeah.
and then adjust?
Oh.
Oop. It does seem like seaweed.
Perfect.
Sorry.
Oh, it's difficult. Okay.
Oh, nice.
And we weed. You can use any tools. Oh.
Oh, nice.
Oh, maybe white color is
The white
Yeah,
seemed to
it's
work
into
better.
design.
So your design is also good.
Okay. I change. I
yeah.
change
Her design to here and
Oh,
change
okay.
from wolf to
Yeah.
puff.
That's probably a good idea. Oh, much better.
Thank you.
Okay.
So it's your time.
Okay.
Oh.
これやばくない？どういう風にしたらいいの？これやばいね。後でずらせるよね。
ずらせます。
違う。
The surface is very curving, so
Yeah. Curves
Yeah,
sometimes
so-
add a little bit of a challenge.
最初にこれ取っちゃおうかな。
あ、いいと思いますよ、それ。おお。ナイスアイディア。
Okay.
乾いてからいいかもしれない。ちょっとまだ湿ってる。湿ってないよ。湿ってる。
Okay.
Kitchen.
Okay.
Let's go. So I prepare this oven to preheat it 170 degree. It's in America is 338.
Okay.
Okay.
338 Fahrenheit or 170
Yeah.
Celsius.
Yeah. And 入るかな。一緒に乗る？乗る？乗らない？乗ら。あ、and into oven. Oh. Start heating, and we wait 40 minutes.
40 minutes?
Yeah, 40 minutes.
Okay.
And after 40 minutes, we wait until this oven is perfectly cool down.
So 40 minutes to bake and then completely cool.
Yeah. Maybe 1 hour.
Okay.
So it's almost done.
Uh-huh.